do stuff like this. Just feel like the only person in the world for a bit, you know? It just started snowing in the park. I've never been in the park when it snowed. I don't want to talk too loud. Oh my God. I needed this. Is the snow not magical in the desert? I am just in such an incredible mood. And I just want to kind of have my day reflect that. So I want to take care of the animals. I want to do a bunch of cute little DIYs, and I want to be weird with you guys. So let's get started. I think you guys are going to love this little DIY. For the squirrels, you know? Okay, let's chat Lume, shall we? Oh, here he is. I gotta be honest, I have never used a whole body deodorant, but I have definitely now realized how much I have needed one, and that has kind of been my issue these last couple of summers, aka my whole life. If you don't know, not that it's important, but I can't sweat. I don't sweat normally. When I do, I break out in a heat rash. The company was started by an OBGYN named Shannon Klingman, and Lume is essentially a whole body, well, it is a whole body deodorant. Boobs, pits, butt crack, back and knees for me, feet, anything you can think of. Lume is clinically proven to block body odor all day and continues controlling body odor for 72 hours. Essentially, Lume stops odor before it starts. It's there for you. Like I said before, it covers all of your bases. You walk in and you're sweating behind your knees like me, spray them. Spray them down. You don't want to spray them down, use the invisible cream. It's not going to show up and it's going to help you just as much. I love the toasted coconut scent of the deodorant stick. That is one of my faves out of the bunch. It's just like warm and cozy. If you need a whole body deodorant, Lume Starter Pack Bundle is a great deal for new customers. It comes with a full-size stick deodorant, a cream deodorant tube or spray deodorant, 2 free products like the wipes or mini body wash, free shipping in the US, and just for my followers, Lume is offering an extra $5 off when you click the link in the description below and use my code Metz at checkout. That's a deal of over 40% off. Thank me later. Your body will love you. People around you will love you if you're stinky. I'm just a dirty little desert girl during the summer running around. And now I got a whole bunch of deodorant to help me through it, thank God. I mean, I literally couldn't find a product that just like worked with me. We're gonna go prep for the storm, which is weird because it's hot. And I'm literally about to use these products. And then tomorrow it's supposed to be what? But you know who's got me covered? Lume. Quite literally, physically. Okay, I am completely obsessed with Critter Town. Also, the car wash, the plumbing system just exploded on me when I just went down there real quick. So there's that. The Critter Town, obviously, we need to work on and expand, which is fun, but I also need to get the pond completely working. That leads me to this. I just want to be surrounded by love right now. And so I want to spend the afternoon with my mare since we finally have some good weather. One thing about Gracie is, yes, she is a wild Mustang. She's a one-person horse. But if she sits for a couple days, she kind of just reverts. And it has been just ridiculous winds. Yeah, whatever. You know, my brain is broken. Let me take you through a training session. I mean, I'm a new cowgirl, but this is what we do over here. All right, orders of operations for me when I work with her in the afternoon. It's like, do all your barn chores so the hay's prepped as much as it can be. And then drag both the arena and the round pen. Now, I don't have anything fancy. It's literally just chain link with a cinder block on it. But you got to start somewhere. Wow. Bruce, stop eating Leo's poop. Typically, you want it, well, for me, my vet told me for Gracie to feed her 8 to 9 pounds morning and night of hay, but I give her pellets at night, so it varies. But I do have a scale just to make sure it's completely correct. I know, Rico. Mommy, you want to come out and play with me? You want to come out and play? Bedding season. This Grace is all cleaned up. I just gotta wipe her face down. And we're gonna do some groundwork, which, how my trainer explained it to me, is what you do on the ground is what you can be able to do in the saddle. I kind of just read her. I never want to upset her, but the same token, if she's spicy with me and we're not assisting a society properly, we gotta work on that because she has to be a citizen of society, unfortunately. Taken from the wild, I would have let you stay. You like to smell? All right, you guys are gonna join us over there. It's gonna be spicy. This, I don't even know if you can hear me. This is called desensitizing. try. Then you can do that if you want. Gracie and I are forever going to be progressing together, and something I'd like to do is give her more obstacles because she's really incredible at them. So I am going to DIY some jumping posts, but I couldn't make just regular ones. So bear with me through this cute little DIY for Miss Gracie girl. Stop beating the poop down. Just try, okay? You need to get abs, girl. Especially before the bed comes. I've been so much trouble. Leo, I swear. You're fine, buddy. That's so cute. Great. I don't think you're gonna like it, but we're gonna try. Doing good. I'm sorry. It's a lot to ask first time. Let's just put them on opposite sides. Okay, take it. Keep on. No, one loop. All three. No. See? Nothing scary happens. Good. That one was your idea. I didn't say go fast. I am completely obsessed with these. I just want to make them fun. Also, Gracie's a little on the fluffy side. Not that there's anything wrong with it. I'm not taking the best care of myself either. And Leo also has to lose his forehead roll. So we're all kind of on a fitness journey. Ooh. Random, but something that I'm very excited for is, remember that first date I told you about? Well, yeah, so much more needs to be said about that, but he is going to help me with a lot of projects over here that I'm clearly just struggling. I'm just a girl at some point, and the man's going to come on in and make it all sexy. A lot of things sexy, and a lot of things just better. So anywho, that just wanted to brag. I guess that's what that was. Okay, maybe that was to brag a little bit, but that's also to kind of segue into like where I've been mentally with projects. My property is kind of taking a new purpose. There's a lot of things going on behind the scenes in the best way possible that has kind of had me halt on doing anything. I've been DIYing not only on a deadline, but on a weird budget, and essentially like pulling together people's trash to make it my treasure. And I'm so sick of it. And where I'm going to start is redoing this barn, because Gracie not only deserves the best barn, I deserve the best barn and the best horse facilities I can create. And it doesn't have to be, it doesn't have to look copy and pasted. It can be a work of art. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. The barn will look something like this. I'm pulling together a page right now. I'm very physical, so I'm like collaging together my thoughts. I'm going to write down the builds that need to take place and materials, all of that. But yeah, I've been DIYing on the fly, DIYing wrong, and I would like to DIY in completion and DIY right. I know what we are about to produce here is going to be absolutely insane, and I really can't wait to bring you guys in on it. Sorry I've been in such a funk for so long, but like I said, I feel like I'm actually in the light now. I don't just see it at the end of the tunnel. I'm not just talking about it. I feel like I'm fully in it, and it's equally like blinding in a weird way, because I'm kind of like waking up to all the damage I've done in the darkness to my property when I could have just done it. Like, I'm not gonna do that. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. We are going to DIY it right moving forward. I'm having a bit of a moment. I was just crying earlier walking Miss Gracie girl. And man, I don't know, it is so I hate the darkness. I hated it. I know that there are going to be points in my life again where I'm in it, but going through it, even though it is the hardest thing I've ever done, and not giving up was the hardest thing I've ever done, is always going to be. It is so worth it. There's so much in my life right now that is just like kind of just all the work I put in. Like I said in the last episode, it's like a garden. You don't see your work till you see it, till it comes up and it blooms and it starts kind of taking shape. And I'm like, oh, whoa, like how things are just shaping up, and all the work that I put in the past that I didn't realize I was doing for this moment now. Pretty nutty.